Putting them under the stick.
We will be burning them.
Oh.
Yeah. Cover them with leaves. Okay, that should do the trick. Nice.
This is seriously big fire. Wow.
You can feel it, huh?
If this was winter, it would have been very cozy, but right now it's like,
Moments later.
This is a nice place. Lovely bubble milk tea shop. Is it my turn?
Yeah. I pray for you.
Good luck.
No.
It's so unstable. It's getting top heavy.
That is getting funner. More fun.
This is getting very interesting now.
Now what? Tension is real. Oh, you're pulling it. Push it back. Push it back, push it back.
You went this time. Nice iced tea.
Later that day.
I'm gonna prepare some pork today. I'm gonna marinate it and Lance is gonna show me exactly how to do it. Pork, Filipino style. Already we have started washing the pork after you've already pre-treated it, right?
Yes.
So what did you do?
I just massaged it with baking soda and let it soak in the meat for a few minutes, maybe 15 minutes.
Okay. So I'm washing it off now, yeah?
Yeah.
I'm washing off the baking soda.
The next part is just patting the excess water off.
I love pork belly, by the way.
Yeah. This is the best part.
Even in South Africa, when we do a braai, which is basically the South African barbecue, I love to braai pork belly. It's so good. We already bought Mamacita's barbecue marinade. Mamacita's barbecue marinade. And just in case we want some more flavor, we got some classic seasoning.
Oh, you can totally add that. If you want it to be a little bit spicy, you can totally do that.
So this is umami seasoning.
It's a monosodium glutamate, MSG.
Massaging the pork.
Then after you massage, you can put them in the plastic and pour some of those marinade.
We have a plastic bag. And we are going to put the pork in the plastic bag and then cover it with a barbecue marinade. What I'm gonna do is, because this is only half of the pork, we still have another half portion in the fridge for another day. So that means I'm just gonna take half of this.
Actually, just spare a third of it.
Okay. Spare a third of it. I can tie a knot in it. We have a bag of barbecue marinade and pork belly, and I'm gonna massage it now. Massage it nicely. Okay, we're gonna put it in the fridge now and we're gonna grill it later. In the fridge it goes.
Later that same evening.
Hans is preparing the grill. A beautiful evening outside, huh? Need to get the coals going. Yay! We have fire. Like the caveman said, we have fire. Okay, yeah, the coals are nice and hot. Sitting on a hot evening in front of a hot fire. Yeah, we'll be sweating. It's getting the heat now.
Is it like, how long will it take? 3 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes?
No, this is pork belly. It should take about 4 minutes aside. Total 8 minutes. I'm going to turn it over now.
Oh, it does look cooked though.
Yeah.
Do you need to reapply some marinade?
Yeah, do you have a brush? Then I can brush it.
Unfortunately, we don't have a brush, so I brought a spoon.
Okay, yeah. Tonight we will try Mamacita's special. Oh, it's hot.
Careful. So another 4 minutes, I guess?
Yeah.
So this is cooked now, this side.
Yes, it is.
Okay, good. It'll be a quick one.
Yeah. Well, I'm sweating like crazy, so I think I need a beer. Maybe now's a good time for a San Mig Light?
Sure, let's go for it.
Okay.
As requested. Here's the San Miguel. Here's the beer, monsieur.
Oh my gosh. The smoke and the sweat is in my eyes.
Here's your beer. Right, cheers.
Cheers to doing a braai in the Philippines. Okay. That's done. Next batch. The San Mig Light is so good. This is my favorite beer ever.
I think I need to fried rice the rice later. I will make garlic fried rice with it.
Yeah, garlic fried rice with pork belly will be delicious.
We had a little bite of this, a little portion. Tastes like tocino, amazing.
Pork tocino. Recommend Mamacita's homemade barbecue marinade.
Yeah, we recommend this one. We're definitely gonna use it next time as well. Yeah. Yep, they're done. Wow, looks so good.
And this is the final product. Grilled pork belly, chopped into strips. We're gonna have it with some garlic fried rice, some more San Mig Light. Sarap. So we've decided tonight with our grilled pork belly and garlic fried rice, we are going to watch an 80s classic. Well, I think it's 80s or maybe early 90s, 1992. Itadakimasu!